everyone, I'm Callie B from FreshOffTheNeedles.com. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy cast-off for knitted hats. No decreases necessary. Be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tips, techniques, and free knitting and crochet video patterns. Let's get to it. To begin, take your right hand needle and pull it out from your stitches just a little bit. If you have a stitch stopper on your needle, go ahead and leave it on just to make sure no stitches accidentally fly off of there. That would be really inconvenient. And cut off about 12 inches of yarn from your yarn ball. Next, you're going to start sliding your stitches directly from your left hand needle onto your tapestry needle, like so. You can slide just a few at a time, or you can slide several on at a time, as I'm doing in the video, just depending on how comfortable you are. You don't want to drop any stitches. I usually slide a few on and then pull your yarn through the stitches. And as you can see, we're just simply making a nice little cinching effect, and we're going to cinch the hat together. This is a really simple way to cast off or bind off a hat. You don't have to make any decreases while you're doing this. You can just knit it all the way up till it's finished and then cinch it closed. It's super easy. So once you have enough stitches on your working yarn there, you can just pull all of the stitches onto your left hand needle. As you can see, I straightened it out a second ago. And just continue sliding your stitches off onto your tapestry needle. And again, once you're comfortable with how many stitches you have on the tapestry needle, just go ahead and pull that yarn right on through those stitches. Be sure to slide every single stitch onto the tapestry needle. Again, you don't want to drop a stitch here. Now that we have our last stitch on the tapestry needle, we're just going to pull the yarn through, and now you just need to pull it tightly. So go ahead and keep pulling and just sort of get that hat cinched together at the top. Pull it tightly, but don't break your yarn. If you break your yarn, you're not going to be able to weave in the ends. Now, put your tapestry needle through the top of your hat and flip the hat inside out. Now you can go ahead and begin weaving in your ends. I'm not going to get very much into weaving in ends in this video. I just wanted to show how to do the cast off, but you can just sort of stick the tapestry needle through some of those a few times, some of your stitches, and then tie a knot. This is the effect that it will create, a little cinched in hat, and this is how I tend to finish off all of my slouchy hats. It's a handy cast off to know for different types of hats, beanies, etc. If this tutorial has helped you out, leave me a comment and let me know. Be sure to like the video and please subscribe. Have a great day from FreshOffTheNeedles.com.